Whether you're a kid, a grown-up, or just a science nerd, everyone is fascinated by slime. Some prefer traditional store-bought silly putty, while others have taken slime making into their own hands. Here are 10 coolest slimes you can make at home. To make sure you stay slimy, don't forget to subscribe to Capital. And stick around to the end for our Capital quiz question. Make sure to watch closely and comment below for a chance to be featured in an upcoming video. Thermochromic. This easy chemistry project combines the science and fun of a mood ring. This is thermochromic slime, which means it's slime that changes colors according to temperature. It's simple to make. First, take 1/4 cup of white school glue and mix it with 1 tablespoon of water. Then, sprinkle on 3 teaspoons of thermochromic pigment, which can be found on Amazon. Add 1/4 cup of liquid starch and mix it up with your hands. Don't be afraid to get messy, this is the fun part. Then, experiment by putting your slime on different surfaces and seeing what color it changes to. Dish soap silly putty. If you don't want to go out and buy a bunch of materials for your slime creation, then this is the perfect recipe for you. The process is easy. Take 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and mix it up with 1.5 tablespoons of dish soap. Get your hands in there, stir it up, and after 10 seconds, you'll see the putty start to come together. This really is a no-fail combination. If your silly putty is too runny, add more cornstarch. If it's too dry, add a little more of the dish soap. Edible ectoplasm. Ooh! This slime is perfect if you want to reproduce your own special effects, like in an alien or ghost movie. Whether you need a monster secretion or gelatinous blood, you can make edible ectoplasm slime from 2 very easy to find ingredients. Combine 1 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of soluble fiber into a large microwave-safe bowl. Microwave the mixture for 3 minutes. Stir and then return it to the microwave, heating it for another 3 minutes. Stir the ectoplasm and check its consistency, and to give it some life, add a drop of food coloring. Have fun using your ectoplasm for Halloween costumes, haunted houses, and spooky parties. Unicorn poop. They say this slime makes your dreams come true. Wish upon a unicorn poop with this colorful do-it-yourself slime. You will need 4 ounces of colored glitter glue, 1 tablespoon of contact solution, and half a tablespoon of baking soda. Combine the glue and the baking soda and mix well. Then add the contact solution and mix again. Don't be afraid to get sticky because after kneading the slime a few times, it should all come together.
The best poop of your life.
Glow in the dark. Don't you hate it when you're trying to play with your slime in the dark but you can't see your slime? Well, your hardship is over with glow-in-the-dark slime. The recipe is easy. Pour 2 cups of white Elmer's glue into a bowl. Add 1/4 cup of warm water, adding neon green food coloring, and 3 tablespoons of glow-in-the-dark paint as you stir. In a small bowl, mix half a cup of warm water with 1 teaspoon of borax. Then, mix the 2 concoctions, and don't be afraid to use your hands to fully mix the 2 together.
Achoo! Shoo! Shoo!
Fake snot. This gooey, gross variation of the traditional slime recipe is great for Halloween, freaking out your friends, pulling an April Fool's prank, and all other occasions requiring snot.
Sorry.
First, stir 1/8 cup of borax into 500 milliliters of warm water. In a separate container, stir 2 spoonfuls of glue into 3 spoonfuls of water. Using gel glue will give your mix that translucent, slimy snot look. And finally, add a spoonful of the borax solution to the glue mixture. Stir the concoction until your slime is up to your booger standards that you can now use to gross out your friends.
Oh! Oh!
Are you
What
kidding
happened?
me?
Edible blood. Get ready to have the best Halloween costume with some blood slime. This particular slime is edible, glows under a black light, and is easy to make. Start with tonic water and add 2 drops of food coloring. Heat the liquid in a microwave until it boils, which may take anywhere from 1 to 4 minutes. Once boiling, take the slime out and give it a stir. Repeat this process 4 to 5 times, but be careful as the container and slime will be very hot. Play with it, decorate with it, or even eat this glowing, slimy treat. Magnetic slime. Put a twist on the classic slime science project by making magnetic slime. This slime reacts to a magnetic field and is super easy to control and make. Here's what you do. Stir 2 tablespoons of iron oxide powder into a 1/4 cup of liquid starch. Once it's smooth, add a 1/4 cup of glue by mixing the slime together with your hands. Your slime is now attracted to magnets and is even viscous enough to blow bubbles. Phloem. This slime has little beads in it, allowing kids to mold it into fun shapes or use it to coat other objects. Phloem can be stored for reuse or can be dried to make your creations permanent. Here's how to make it yourself. Dissolve 2 teaspoons of borax completely in 1/2 cup of water. In a separate container, mix a 1/4 cup of white glue and equal parts water along with a couple drops of food coloring. Pour the glue solution and 1 1/3 cup of polystyrene beads into a plastic bag. Finally, add the borax solution and knead it until it's well mixed. Glitter slime. Why make ordinary slime when you can make sparkly glitter slime? Try this easy recipe to make your slime any color of the rainbow. First, dissolve 1 teaspoon of borax in 1/2 cup of warm water. In a separate container, mix up 1/2 cup of glue and 1 cup of water. When you're ready to make glitter slime, simply dump your desired amount of glitter into the original mixture. And now, our capital quiz question. What is the most expensive slime ever made? Answer in the comments below, and the best answer will be pinned to the top and featured in an upcoming video. Don't forget to check out our other videos, and while you're still here, be sure to click subscribe so you never miss a minute from Capital.